Hey yo interneters, welcome back to another pin spinning video, and today we're gonna learn a very easy and basic eye candy pin trick. And if you guessed the triangle pass, you're absolutely right. For those of you who do not know what a triangle pass is, here's a quick video of KTrend93 doing the triangle pass. KTrend93 has a really good tutorial on the triangle pass, so I'll link his channel down in the description below, so please make sure you go check his channel out. So basically how the triangle pass work is, you want to take your pin and find the center balance of your pin, and mine is that line right there you see on the pin. And so from there you take the pin and you hold it just like this, where you have your thumb on the opposite of your index and your ring finger. And then from there you want to take your finger and then you turn the pin counterclockwise. And once you do this, you want to take your index finger and move it under the pin. And then from there, you want to have your index on the side to support the pin. And then from there, as you continue to turn it counterclockwise, you want to take your thumb and then move it under the pin. And from there, you want to go on the opposite side to support the pin. And once you have this, you want to bend down your middle finger and go under the pin, and then you just continue the turn on the pin, and then from there you just rinse and repeat, and that is the triangle pass. So now that we know how the triangle pass work, I decided to go practice the triangle pass. And so when I first started the triangle pass, I started as close to my tips as possible, just so that I don't take too much time learning, because I felt comfortable already practicing near the tips of my fingers. But if you're not, I would say, start where the tutorial on KTrend suggests. So yeah, and so when I first started it off, I just focused on making sure my fingers knew what it was doing and building up its synchronization and muscle memory on how you're supposed to spin the pin around your fingers. And so it's a little bit tricky at first, because like sometimes my fingers will get stuck, or I would get confused at where I need to move my fingers. But over time, I sort of got used to doing this, and eventually I slowly increased the speed. And from there, it wasn't still good at me doing the triangle pass, but it was decent enough for me just starting to learn. So I would say roughly about 1 minute into learning the triangle pass, my fingers got used to the motion and the movement of where they need to be on the pin so that I can actually do the triangle pass nicely. And so the problem still was that the pin wobbles and I was very inconsistent. So sometimes the pin would move smoothly, sometimes it will stop. It's just random things at random times. At the same time, I wasn't fully comfortable with doing the triangle pass, because I still had to focus really hard on the triangle pass just to be able to maintain the pin trick. So I would say right here I would be close to finish, but not all the way. Here's the whole clip of me practicing the triangle pass, but fast forward, but it's not that long. So at 3 minutes and 16 seconds, I would say that I'm done and I learned the triangle pass, right? Because at this point, majority of the issues that I had before, it was completely eliminated from just the continuous practice. But the only thing was, I wasn't satisfied with where I was with the triangle pass, especially where or how the pin was spinning. So to me, the rotation of the pin was a little bit too slow for me. So I want to see if I could continue practicing and to see if it will increase the speed just so it could rotate a little bit faster. I ended up spinning roughly about 30 minutes just to try to increase the speed, and nope, it didn't work. The speed still stayed the same, and like every lazy person would do at this point, I settled with it. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and like always, thanks for watching, and till next time.